Gusto mong kumain sa labas together with your kids and fur babies? Here's the perfect cafe for your family and for your pets. So dito kami sa Paws Pet Lodge and Family Cafe nag-celebrate ng birthday ni Kuya Sign. Sa tabi ng cafe, makikita nyo yung pet lodge kung saan pwede nyong iwan ang mga fur babies ninyo. Meron din silang other service like pet grooming if gusto nyo naman ipamper ang mga alaga nyo. So pagpasok namin, as you can see, ang spacious and ang comfy. Meron din ditong play area na perfect for your kids while waiting for your orders. And meron ding naka-display na mga treats and essentials and accessories for your pets. They also have alfresco dining and play area facing seaside. Super safe maglaro at magtatakbo ng mga pets dahil may harang naman ito. Naglaro lang muna si Sign and Lucky while waiting kami sa orders. And after that, may naka-ready ng water para sa kanila. Ang bongga, diba? So, eto ang mga in-order namin. They have wide selection of foods na masarap and affordable. FYI guys, malaki din ang serving nila. Ang maganda dito, meron silang foods for your fur babies na perfect sa mga celebrant kagaya ni Kuya Sign. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section if you want to know more about this cafe. After namin kumain, lumabas ulit kami and pinag-play lang namin si Sign at Lucky. Sobrang saya ng mga babies namin. I hope you can also visit and enjoy this cafe with your fur babies. Yun lang for now. Bye!